us here, but that does not mean rain is out of the question. We'll check in with Chief Meteorologist Zach Daniel in the Backyard Weather Center. Zach?
Yeah, Bree, we've got a lot of different factors working on our atmosphere right now. Arthur, just one of those, and in combination with high pressure, it's resulting in some coastal flooding that's just going to get worse over the next 24 to 36 hours. Let me show you what we did for today. A lot to talk about here. 56 was our low, 64 our high temperature, so yet another day with very little to show for in terms of rainfall, but not much warmth. A cool day today. It's still cool. 61 degrees, northeast wind at 20, gusting to 29. All that together, it's an indoor day today. Look at the maximum wind gusts. We had a gust of 38 in Richmond and 37 miles per hour in West Point. These are all onshore winds, northeasterly winds. Let's check out what we've got temperature-wise across the rest of Virginia, and we have low 60s in many areas, but a lot of mid 50s as well to our south and to our west. That is a chilly day, and that's because of the rain they've had just consistently throughout the day. Here's some positive news. Both tree and grass pollen are in the low category. I can't remember the last time we saw that. It was probably the very beginning of the seasonal allergy stretch. All right, moderate to major coastal flooding coming up. It's going to be beginning tonight and lasting through tomorrow night. Tomorrow night is when it'll be at its worst. A chilly and wet day tomorrow, but warmer and drier by late week. That's good heading into the holiday weekend. The James River will be rising though because of rain upstream, and it should reach the action stage by Friday, which is over 9 feet, which means it'd be very dangerous for anybody to get around that. And people are going to want to do that with it warming up. All right, there's the area of low pressure back to our west. It's what we call a cutoff low, not moving much at all, and it continues to crank out a lot of moisture. And the flow here is an upslope flow, so it's dumping a lot of rain through the mountains, and that is a problem locally where there could be some flooding. We're right on the edge of this rainfall here in Richmond. Not much going on in the northern neck. It's just a light rain here in Richmond, but a little bit heavier back to our west. And then we look at what's happening to our north and east, which is an area of high pressure to our north, and there's Arthur back to our due east. The flow between these two systems is bringing in that onshore wind. It's what we call a pressure gradient wind because you have high pressure and low pressure, and the difference there is strong, and it's resulting in a lot of wind that's going to continue to blow for about the next 2 straight days. So we'll have water levels 2 to 3 feet above normal where the coastal flood warning is in effect. Lows tonight will be in the upper 40s and low 50s, and highs tomorrow will be even cooler than today, only in the upper 50s and low 60s. We'll continue to have that northeast wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. It looks like our better chance of rain tomorrow will be in the morning hours with low chances in the afternoon. So I'll run this through the next couple of days. You're going to see just occasional rain from time to time along 95 and east, but really the bulk of the rain is all out to our west, and that is where they'll likely see 4 to even 6 inches of rain just over the next 3 days. And here is that rainfall total. Again, Danville over 4 inches of rain. Elsewhere, not a whole lot. There's your temperature trend. We're going to be heading in the right direction as we head into the weekend, back up close to normal. And the precipitation probability is also heading in the right direction if you want to spend a little time outdoors. And again, keep an eye on that James River level. I'll keep you updated on that because it could be very dangerous for those that want to get out and venture into the water. Overall, it looks like a really good Memorial Day weekend.